Next, we will move on to the employee management. When we click on all employees, we can see the details of all employees in the company. Right now, we have only one employee. We can view the employee's email, name, and employee ID. We can also see the department name, position, hire date, status, and available actions. Currently, there is no department assigned, and the employee does not have a position assigned either. Next, we will create a department. For this, we click on the departments and then select Add Department. Let's enter the department name as IT Department. We can add a description for the department as needed. For example, we can write, "This is the IT department." From here, we can assign managers. At the moment, there are no manager positions available, so we cannot assign a manager right now. We simply click on Create Departments, and the department is now created. Currently, the manager has 0 employees, and the status is active. Next, we will click on Positions. From here, we can create positions. For example, we can select Manager. The department will be IT Department, and we need to decide the role. The role can be Employee, HR Manager, Manager, or Super Admin. In this case, we will select Manager. We will provide the description accordingly, such as, "This is Manager." Now, we click on Create Position, and the position is created. Then, we go to the Add Employee section. Here, we can create employees as needed. For example, we will create our first employee, who will be the manager, since we just created the position for the manager. We can enter the employee code, then the email of the employee. Let's enter the email, then the first name. Any name can be used, for example, first. The last name will be used only for demo purposes. And then we can give the phone number. The phone number will be entered here. Next, we add the date of birth. We can select date of birth from here, for example, the 6th. The gender is male and the marital status is single. For nationality, let's say Pakistan. The hire date will be the 14th of January. The department for this employee will be IT Department, and the position that we created will be Manager. For employment type, let's select full-time. Now, for the salary, let's say 1.5 lakhs. Next, we need to specify if he has any manager. In this case, let's say he don't have any manager currently. For work location, we can select Lahore. These 3 fields can be filled out as needed. For example, we can enter street address. And for the state, we can select Punjab. For emergency contacts, we can provide the emergency contact information. Let's say we fill out all the details here, and the relationship is parent. When we click on Create Employee, an email will be sent to that employee. We can go and check for the email. The email has been received at this address with temporary password. As we can see, the details are displayed here. For example, the department is the IT department, and the position is Manager. One more thing. From the action, we can see the details of this employee or all employees. From the Edit Employee action, we can edit the employee's details. This action is available only for Super Admin and HR Manager. So, only Super Admin and HR Manager can manage employee management. Here, we can deactivate. And again, we can activate these employees. We can also delete this employee from here. So, this information, we notice that there is only one employee currently in the department. There is only one employee, and the department does not have a manager. From here, we can assign a manager to the department. Let's say this person becomes the manager of the department. The manager's name will then appear here. The number of employees working in this department will also be shown here. This covers everything from the employee management. In the next part, we will discuss attendance.